Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog 124. Today we're going to be unboxing this SanDisk Cruiser Glide 128GB flash drive. So I've been running out of space on my laptop and all my other flash drives for a while now. So I just got this and yeah, I'm going to unbox it. So this is just going to be really quite short video. We'll also maybe test out this flash drive with some files and stuff. Since it's got if I peel off the price tag here, it does show the read speed underneath it. So it's got fast, reliable. It has SanDisk secure access software, which I'm not really going to use. I'm going to format this drive to exFAT straight away when I get it. I think it shows the read and write speeds on the back here. Don't know if this is quite accurate, but 550 meg read and write speeds. So here I've got some scissors and I've got the flash drive here. So let's just cut it open. This is also going to go up against Logitech's easy open system, since in theory SanDisk tells you to just cut this, but I want to see how easy it is to use and all that. So this is going to go up against Logitech's easy open system for the Logitech M171 mouse that I unboxed a while ago on this YouTube channel. So if we just cut the thing here, didn't probably quite cut right, so I need to cut it again. But in theory, you should just be able to pick it apart here. Oh, that's actually quite easy to open. And then here's another one of SanDisk's implementations of you have to pick this really wacky plastic film off, but I usually just cut it. But for the sake of this video, we'll see how easy it is to even pick off what SanDisk tells you to do. So, it doesn't really want to come loose, and I don't really want to use the scissors to really, open this. But what I just do is just go jab in the back of the flash drive, of any SanDisk product, including their SD cards, which I had to actually swap out once when filming, since my other SD card got full. So here's the 128GB Cruiser Glide flash drive right here. Don't know if you guys can quite see that, but I'm just gonna put my arm forward so you guys can. We're gonna test this out and load some of my files onto it now. So let's do that. And one more thing before I end off the video. It claims here that if I join all this back together, it works with Windows 7, 8, 10 and macOS version 10.9 and later. Wonder if it'll work with the M1 Max with 12.0 and that running macOS Monterey, which I will uncover a video on later, how intuitive macOS Monterey is. And it's also it's almost been a year with me owning my MacBook here, so I'll make a 1 year later video as well. Hey guys, so I'm on my laptop right now, aka my MacBook. So what I'm about to do is plug my flash drive in here, which I've got it set up with my Samsung USB-C adapter, so it'll plug into my MacBook intuitively. So I'm just gonna plug it in and see how far it takes, how much time it takes. Oh wow, instantly. SanDisk secure access is on here, but the secure access software is only for Windows. So if I try click it, it won't be supported on macOS. Many people do just use mac.pdf. I wonder if but there ain't any Mac version on here. Ready to download link. Not gonna bother putting their secure access software on here, but let's just take a look at it. We'll download their software for Mac, and what I'm gonna just do is pause recording real quickly. So what will happen is I'll download the software and then continue recording again. Hey guys, so what happened? It wanted to install to my flash drive, not my main Mac drive. That's the drive in this computer, the Macintosh HD drive. It wanted to install to my flash drive, and now I'm just having some haywire problems. So what I'm gonna do now to fix that, counter that problem with just fixing that issue in general, because I hate like SanDisk doing this and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just erase, and I'll format it onto exFAT, and I'll type in my name, ISH files, so we'll erase and format with exFAT. Erase process failed. Erase couldn't be unmounted because it is new. Let's try process. Done. And what we will do is quit Finder. So what I'll do is I'll just eject my no-name drive. Our preview is using it. So let's just open up preview and quit preview. And then maybe it was that. Now I can erase my no-name drive. So ISH files. Then no, I'm not going to use ms.32. And erase. And now it's erasing, mounting disk. And click done to continue. ISH files. I've got 123 gigs available out of the 128 gig flash drive, which is not bad. And now what I'll do is copy some files to it off camera until you got the read speeds I was getting. And yeah, that's basically it for now. Hey guys, welcome back to the Vlog 124, and my laptop wanted to cause some haywire problems, so that's why I switched over to the Toshiba laptop right here, which I also use for filming a couple of other videos, but that doesn't matter for now. So what I'll do is I've also got the files that were on my hard drive on this laptop right here, and what I'll do is I'll plug this into the USB 3 ports. Wants me to format it, so same, I'm going to use ISH files and exFAT 128 kilobytes, capacity 114 gigs, which is really odd. macOS probably screwed itself up while trying to do anything. So good old Windows to save the day. So the tick's up in this PC. 114 gigs out of 114 gigs. Let's go into properties of this flash drive. And it's 114 gig. Let's USB drive, file system exFAT. Windows at least got that right. So what I'll do is I will open up File Explorer, scroll down to ISH files, open up my SSD files folder, and then home here, copy to, choose location, ISH files, and then hit copy. So 114 gigs, which I'm not gonna copy all of it. Bye bye. I'm only gonna copy some of it, like family stuff, games, jobs, and movies. So select that much there. And then hit home, copy to, choose location, hit copy. That's about 25 gigs. And then what I'll do is I'll copy other printing. Don't want to copy OSPC there. So what I'll do is I'll hit other, hit home, copy to, choose location, copy, 39 gigs there, but it's going quite fast, so that's actually quite good. And now I'm going to stop the recording since we have like kind of an idea of where and what like the unit size and all that is.